I saw you through the cracks in your walls. I know where you sleep, and I'm already inside your dreams. The last person who ignored my whispers was eaten alive by shadows. Do you want to be next? I played with your toys while you were gone. They are now my friends, and they don't like sharing with you. They hate you. Do you hear the scratching? That's me trying to get out of the dark corners you pretend don't even exist. I counted every breath you have taken since you arrived here. I know that you are afraid. I can't even hear the last one you took. You are trying to be quiet, but I can still hear you. The mirror shows me when you are alone. Would you like to see what it's showing me now? I've hidden something of yours in the darkest part of the attic. You won't find it because you are afraid to look. I've been watching you for a long time, and I know what scares you the most, and I'm getting better at making it real. I can feel your heartbeat getting faster and faster. It's the sweetest sound. It means that you are scared. The walls remember every scream. Yours will add a new special echo. The voices in your head, they're my friends. They tell me your every secret. You see that light flickering in your room? You hear those floorboards creak and the door slam shut? That's me! And it's all to make you know that I'm here. When you close your eyes, I crawl right into your thoughts. It's a cozy little space just for me. The shadows don't just follow you. They are waiting for the